Hi, I'm Melanie Thayer from Harcourts Huon Valley, and I'm excited to present to you Portside in Nichols Rivulet. We're here at 4 Crooked Tree Court on the banks of Port Signet Bay with a beautiful north-facing aspect and stunning garden with a lot of fruit trees, ornamental shrubs and a beautiful view of the bay. Let's have a look around. This attractive home is situated on Crooked Tree Point, just 3 kilometres from the popular and thriving town of Signet, where you can find all the services you'll need, including banks, supermarkets and cafes. Sitting on the edge of Port Signet Bay, the home enjoys an enviable north-facing aspect with views over the bay and back towards the township, as well as glimpses of the yachts at the sailing club. The quality of the home is evident the moment you walk through the solid timber front door with craftsman-made stained glass accents. The handcrafted timber kitchen has views out to the garden and is open to the dining room, which adjoins a cosy lounge. All the living spaces have stunning water views through a large bay window in the lounge and a sliding door from the dining room onto the north-facing veranda, which is sheltered from the prevailing winds and enjoys all-day sun. All 3 bedrooms are large and have built-in wardrobes, and the bathroom has a freestanding shower and bath with a separate toilet. Off the garage at the other end of the home, there is currently a sunroom, a study and a second toilet. This end of the house could also be a 4th bedroom or has the potential, with some minor renovations, to be a separate, self-contained flat for family or to run as accommodation. The house is surrounded by a very quiet, private garden, which includes a number of fruit trees, as well as ornamental shrubs and flowers. The property has a double road frontage onto Crooked Tree Court and Henleys Road. And just a few steps from the back gate is the water of Port Signet Bay. If you follow the track down to the secluded point, you will find a great place for launching kayaks or to do a spot of fishing. It is rare to find a property so close to Signet with north-facing water views, which makes for wonderful outdoor entertaining options. As an added bonus, there is currently a visitor accommodation permit in place, so there is also the potential for running a B&B. This very appealing lifestyle property has a lot to offer and many possibilities for wherever your next chapter of life takes you. So if you can imagine waking up to this and you'd love to make your next move to a property like this, call or email me anytime for more information or to book your own private inspection.